Alright, on the previous video, we actually worked on how to verify a domain and being able to verify this very domain. So now let's work on how to go about installing Pixel to our website. So I'll click on this very one and I'll just go straight to, where is it? Event Manager, and I'll go to event. Oh, sorry, my data seems to be off. I'll go to Event Manager, Event Manager. So I'll go to Event Manager. You can see there is no data source here. So what I'm going to do is to actually click on this very one. I'll click on this. So I'll click on Web because this is where I want to connect the data to. So send information about customer interaction with your business. The information can then be used to create audiences, run campaigns, optimize ad delivery, and more. So I'll click on Connect. Then I will insert my website. Okay, sorry, I will name the pixel here. So I'm going to use buy ad pixel. So you can see create a pixel to send web events and parameters from your website, including customer actions and browsing behavior. To comply with our policy and help protect your users' privacy, don't share sensitive user data with us when setting up events. So I'll click on create pixel. And you can see the pixel has been added. So now let's go to our website. Ensure you copy the link properly. Come back, then insert the website link. So now that you've created a pixel, enter your website URL and we'll let you know if it's eligible for integration with one of our supported partners such as Shopify. So I will insert this. I will insert this. I will insert this and click on tick. Okay, you can see it's ticked already. So I'll click on next. Click on next. So how are we going to do this integration? You can see conversion API and meta pixel. This is always recommended. Use a conversion API combined with a pixel to send web activity and customer actions from both your server and website. The conversion API sends data directly through an API connection, which helps improve targeting and optimization for deep funnel. Then pixel only use only a pixel to send web activity and customer actions from your website, browser base, and blockers can prevent the pixel collecting data. You can always set up the conversion API in addition to pixel later. So we'll do that later. If we are actually going to work with that, we'll do that later. But for now, let's set to pixel only. So we are going to use partner integration. You can not equally do this manually if you want, but I'll actually go with this very one because it's very simple and easy, as I wouldn't want us to be stressed. So here we are. If you are using any of the platform, you can browse how to go about that. But for this very course, I'm using WordPress. So I'll click on WordPress. Then this instruction, we are going to install a plugin on our website. You can equally download it. This is there's a zip file for that. But what we are going to do now is we'll go to our WordPress, click on our plugins. Okay, I need to log in. So go to plugin, we'll add a new plugin. We type Facebook Pixel, Facebook. Let's see what pops up. Facebook for WooCommerce. So Facebook for WordPress and Facebook for WooCommerce. Let me now try to. Okay, we'll go with that Facebook for WooCommerce. Facebook for WooCommerce. Let me not try and mix this up. Okay, let's use Facebook for WooCommerce. I think it's had more download. Let's see. Okay, so we activate. So what we are going to do is we're actually going to, where is it? Wow, why is this taking us to Facebook? Whoa, 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 whoa. Reopen close tab. Sorry about that, guys. Let me go back. Or am I missing anything here? Let me Facebook for WordPress and see. But then let's go back and see what we have here. Let's see the kind of plugin that is being given here. I think I need to verify this very well. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Let me verify it to be sure that I am actually using the right. Connect Facebook. Let me check. Facebook for WordPress. Yeah, I think that's what I have here. Okay, not WooCommerce, it's WordPress. Sorry about that, guys. Why is this taking time? Okay, it's installed. Let's activate. Okay, it's activated. But then let me deactivate the initial one, the WooCommerce one. Deactivate and delete. Yeah, we want to use this. So click on these settings here. Click on settings. You click on get started. Ensure your Facebook account is logged in on your browser so that when you are prompted to, you can actually confirm. Yes, we'll continue. We'll continue. So we are going to select the very ad account we want to use. Ensure you select the right ad account. So this is the ad account we want to use. Go back and select the right pixel. Yes, this is pixel we want to use. The business manager, if you have multiple business managers, ensure to click the correct business manager. So I think that's all. Then automatic advanced matching. Let me see what we have here. Let me see what we have here. Yes, we want everything selected. Yes, yes. So you click on continue. Then yes, yes. So you click next and you allow WordPress to link with your Facebook account. Okay, I think this is done and we are set. I'll confirm. Okay, you can see it's connected. Let me check our website first and see to how it's going to be fired. Okay, now let's go back to our event manager and click on next. Then we are going to send traffic to the site to test if the if it's active. So you click on send traffic. Okay, you can see. So let's wait for a confirmation on this very Okay, you can see our pixel is working correctly, is active. So what you are going to do next, click on next. So on clicking on next, you may actually be asked to add some event, set up some event, and since we already know about our website, we'll insert our website. And okay, let's read this first. Only use this tool on website that you manage. The website that you connect to will have access to your ad account configuration. So you can see, let's open and see. Okay, that's the website. So let's see. Okay, they are claiming that a pixel was not detected after we have verified. So ignore that. Next. So we are actually going to set up some event configuration as actually recommended, but we'll do that on the next video. So click on finish. You can see it's kind of showing like it's not active. So refresh this and see if it's active. You can see, wow, this is not active. Okay, no problem about that. We'll do that. Conversion is on time. Okay, let me not keep you on this video. The video is mainly on setting up pixel, of which you've already done that and is active. So on the next video, we'll work on event configuration.